How to cancel payment on AliExpress. Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can easily cancel AR payment on AliExpress. The first thing you're going to have to do is open up AliExpress application and just make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you're logged in, you can just go to your accounts to check for your orders. So just go ahead and tap on my orders and it will show you view all orders. And all of your orders will be listed right here. Now if you want to cancel a payment of something you've already paid, it has to be somewhere here to find. So if you haven't already paid, it will be on to pay, or if it's ready to be shipped, the product will be on to ship. You'll find the product here, just tap on it and you'll find the cancel button at the end of it. Then they will ask you for a reason why you want to cancel your order, and just give them the reason, and then you should be able to get your refund within 3 to 20 business days depending on your payment method. So if you have used PayPal to pay, they will refund the money on your PayPal, and if you've used any other method, you should be contacting the customer support team if you are not clear how you can get the refund. So that's how you basically cancel your order on AliExpress. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.